Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Learn Mitra. So today we will learn how you can convert all the numbers into the text or the words. So if you will just convert all the words and write all the numbers in the words one by one, it will take lot of time. If the list is too long, so it will take almost 1 hour, 2 hour, 3 hours. It depend on the list. So today I will tell you the simplest way through which you can convert the text, all the numbers into the text in a single command. So it will save you a lot of time. So let's start how you can convert with a single code with a single modules, and just put that code and automatically it will convert the whole the numbers into the text or the words. So first of all, you have to be just activate the developer option here. So it will by default it is not available there in the Excel sheet. So you have to be just activate and you have to be just activate the developer module here. So you have to be go to the file, then the options. In the options, you have to click on the customize ribbon. Then you can see the right panel. There is option of the developer. So it by default it will be unticked. You have to be tick that and okay. So you can see the developer option will be activated here. So after the developer option is there, you have to click on the developer options. Then there will be option Visual Basic VB. In shortcut we have to we call it the VB module. So you have to click on the Visual Basics. In the Visual Basics, you will found an option. You will find the option of the insert. You click on the insert, then go to the module. In the module, you have to be just the copy paste a code. I will provide you the code in on my website easynotesforyou.com. You can copy that code from that website. And so I already have that code. You have to be just copy that code and paste in the module. So the module name in the function name is the spell number. You have to remember these things. The spell number. This is the function name, spell number. Then you have to close this. Then this is the a short list or a small list. The list may be long, so it will be useful for the long list. Even the short list, whatever the you can do, you can apply on any of the type of the sheet or the list on which you want to convert all the text into the all the numbers into the text or the words. So you have to be just click here is equal to the you have to be remember the function name, that is the spell. So automatically you can see that the module will be there, the spell number. Yeah. So I have the two module for the same thing. So you can see the number like that. Otherwise the spell number is also if you have the single module like that. Spelling because I have the two module. Earlier I have to copy the other module also. So there is the two module. So if there is a two module, you can see the two things. Otherwise, the simple thing, the spell number, only the spell number function will be there. So you have to be select this one, or you can second module because I have to just created the two modules. One was earlier, and I created the another module right now. So you have to be just click on that cell and bracket close and enter. Ambiguous name, spell number detected 18 like that 18. Then you have to be just double click on that. You can see the all the numbers change into then converted into the text or the words. So this is the simplest way through which you can convert. Okay, so I have the different Visual Basics. So I have to just delete the some of the module. I will just again tell you how you can convert these things. So I have the two modules. You can see the I just remove module 1, yes. Remove module 2. So I have just removed the both the modules. So I again just creating a module will show you the how you if you have the single module then what the function name will be reflect like that. The spell number. This is the one I close. So now there is only the one module. So when you will click here is equal to spell. So you can see the only the single module is there, then it will show like that spell number, only this. If you have a different module, so it will show the spell module 1 spell number, module 2 spell number, like that. So you have to click on the cell, then bracket close, enter. Then you have to click on that a plus and double click on that. It will just convert the whole that numbers into the text 18, 18, 19.2, 19.2, like that. So you can easily convert the whole the numbers into the text. So thank you so much to be in touch with us. Please subscribe my YouTube channel, Learn Mitra. You will just we will come up with the new videos like that. Any the tech hacks is also there, Excel hacks, and as well as the various tutorial related to SPSS research, and you can also learn the UGC net